Happy Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen. I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller at the National Weather Service with your Alaska statewide weather. Looking at the weather map this afternoon, we have two areas of low pressure that will dominate the weather pattern across southern Alaska. A 982 millibar low pressure system is forming to the west of the western Aleutians, and that will be continuing to trek along the Aleutian chain, allowing plenty of rain and wind to move through the area and some cold air to wrap around on the backside. Speaking of cold air, over the Bering Sea, plenty of cold air is making its way from north to south, bringing some snow showers for the northern Bering through the Bering Strait and some rain showers across the Alaska Peninsula. Up towards the Arctic coastline, the Beaufort Sea Coast, we do have a winter weather advisory for the Northeast Brooks Range and the Beaufort Sea Coast in effect until 8 a.m. on Thursday morning, and that's for some blowing snow and 1 to 2 inches of additional accumulation. Our other area of low pressure is at 971 millibars in the eastern Gulf of Alaska, and this will continue to make its way ever so slowly east, bringing plenty of rain to southeast Alaska. This will continue through the night tonight, even as the area of low pressure weakens. The rain, especially down towards Ketchikan, could be a little bit more on the moderate side at times and mixing with snow at higher elevations. As we look towards the Gulf of Alaska, rain showers will continue under northerly flow as that cold air makes its way out over warm water. And over southern Alaska, pretty quiet conditions with just colder air continuing to filter in. Out towards the Arctic coastline there, we still see the snow continuing through the overnight hours and spreading down through the Bering Strait and clipping the western tip of the West Capes of Alaska. On to Thursday now, our area of low pressure over the Bering that we'll be watching is at 979 millibars, continuing to bring moderate rain to parts of the the Aleutian range, and also Aleutian chain, and also bringing some rain and snow mix over the portions of the Pribilof Islands. Towards the mainland, our area of low pressure at 990 millibars near the Seward Peninsula continues to reinforce some light snow through that area. And then over the Gulf of Alaska, another area of low pressure is formed at 983 millibars, continuing to push light rain on into southeast Alaska. For Friday, our area of low pressure that was over the Bering has slipped south of Cold Bay at 976 millibars. We'll be watching to see how this thing develops over the weekend and possibly bringing the first chance of snow to southern Alaska. As we look towards the west coast, continued snow showers for that region with cold air streaming down, and the Arctic coastline will see a brief break as just clouds and maybe a little bit of light snow continue. For southeast Alaska, onshore flow will allow light rain to continue, mixing with snow for higher elevations, and colder temperatures will continue to be the name of the game over the mainland. With Alaska